Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So firstly you have to subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed it, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video we will fix this issue of mouse jumping issue in Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly you have to just go to the search bar and type main.cpl, and then you have to go to the control panel item, and at here you have to just go to the pointer option, and in pointer option you have to uncheck this option and enhance pointer precision. As you can see, by default it is checked, so you have to just uncheck this option and then click on apply and then OK. So by following this step your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, you have to just go to again search bar and you have to just type main.cpl again. So you have to just go to again control panel, and at here you have to again go to the pointer options, and in pointer option you have to check this option. As you have unchecked this in the step one, so now you have to check this option and you have to just go down, and in the visibility section you have to uncheck this option at this time, like hide pointer while typing. It should be turned off. If it is check in your system, so kindly uncheck this. So then click on apply and then OK. So by following this step your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just go to the one last step, which is basically the device manager. So you have to just open the device manager, and at here you have to just drag this option mice and other pointing devices, and at here you have to uninstall all these drivers that have appeared here. As you can see, here are two drivers, so I have to uninstall these drivers one by one. First one, firstly I have to uninstall the first one, and then I have to uninstall the second one. So after uninstall these drivers you have to restart your PC, and these drivers will be reinstalled and your issue will be fixed. And one thing that I want to mention here is when you uninstall these drivers, then you can't use your mouse to shut down your computer. So you should have to select the keys from your laptop, like alt plus F4. When you press this, so the window appear of shutdown, and then you have to use tab keys to rotate your windows. Like the tab keys is located in right behind the caps lock key, so you have to using tab key you can turn off your computer and then restart your computer. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.